Here we go. This is going to be a reading for the sign of Libra. So, what you guys can possibly expect moving forward. I hope you guys are doing well. I don't get the time to do regular readings now. I'm really, stuck with the personals and the other signs and this and that. There's also Mercury retrograde that's going on. That's going to end on the 12th of July. So after that, I see communication coming in from many of you. Right now, there is lots of shit happening. Shit that should not be happening. Okay, miscommunication, fights, unnecessary arguments. You guys are being forced to face your own fears, own insecurities, own issues. You are basically being forced to self-reflect on all that is wrong and right about you now. Okay, so yeah. So give me a reading for sign of Libra spirit moving forward. Right now it's Six of Pentacles. Many of you guys are wanting a give and take connection. Okay, with Six of Cups, you are thinking of your person heavily. Okay, like in the past, it could have been one-sided, but doesn't matter. Right now, you are really thinking of your person. Okay, like in a very strong, emotional manner. I won't say strong. With Queen of Pentacles, you are concerned about this person. You do care a lot about this person regardless of how they have treated you. I still feel on some which level that you will still always care for this person. Okay, with Seven of Pentacles, you are waiting for their return, or you are waiting for them to take action, or you are waiting for their communication. I see you waiting. Okay, what else? What else? Okay, Five of Pentacles. Right now, you feel left out in the cold. Okay, financially, I see some tensions growing in terms of where your life is going, in terms of your career, also in terms of finances. I feel right now things are not looking so good financially. Like you feel a lack of growth in terms of your finances. In terms of your emotional life, you feel left out in the cold, straight out cold. Okay, with Five Pentacles, I also feel like many of you guys are a part of a connection that is not very strong in terms of moving forward and having a forever. You feel like the connection that you are a part of is something that you cannot really have high hopes for in the future. Even though you like this person, you love this person, you would want this person, still it is built on very shaky grounds, and you do not know if it's going to last that long run. Okay, so that's something. Give me one more card for the sign of Libra. Give me one more card for sign of Libra. One card sign of Libra. With Knight of Swords, I feel for many of you, your partner will charge in, okay, very soon, maybe even today, okay. With the Magician, I see them wanting to come first, or wanting to basically still want to be a part of this connection. If something was holding them back, I believe that they will charge in, regardless of they're going to stay or not. I see them charging in. Okay, so for many of you, you could expect communication today. Okay, with Knight of Swords, that's my card of someone wanting to communicate as soon as possible, as fast as they could. So it is a very high possibility that you could get communication today. Okay, with the Magician, that basically clarifies that situation. With Three of Pentacles, this person wants to partner up. So if we may ask, Spirit, what was really blocking the connection? What was really blocking the connection between Libra and their soulmate? What was the main blockage here? What was really blocking the connection? One card, what's the main blockage between Libra and their soulmate? If we may know, Spirit. Okay, the Empress card, for some of you, I believe, for some of you, selected few of you, your partner was wanting to stay focused on themselves. For some of you, their mother or their parent or their ex-partner could have been a blockage. Okay, some motherly figure is kind of striking here. That tells me that it could either be your person's mother, their ex, their partner, or some foolish friend who was trying to be a blockage. If it's not that, then I believe for some of you, your person wanted to focus on themselves. You have being around, they were not being able to focus on their career or their job or their work life or their growth spiritually, emotionally, financially. Okay, top card we have is the Hanged Man. Okay, I also feel that your person had a lot of interest towards you, but was not someone who puts in effort and makes things happen. Your person was rather a watcher, a viewer. Okay, someone who wants to get things done, but will rather wait on you to put in the effort and make things work. Okay, so take accordingly what in terms of your situation. Since I'm giving this reading to like 20,000 people, everyone will have a different thing going on. With Ten of Wands, it was also a very very burdening connection, a very disturbing, a very very draining connection. Okay, yes, you both liked each other. Sorry, but sometimes connections are just heavy. They are very hard to keep together. Okay, top card we have is Five of Pentacles, and also for many of you, you did not really see this connection going long term. Like you felt like it lacked something, or it lacked that willpower, or it lacked that partnership for it to be going on that long forever. It like you felt it would not really work in the long run, or it would not have a future. You were very unsure about its future. That could be a blockage. Like, why even fucking try when you know that it's not going to work in the future? Why am I even wasting my fucking time? That was your reaction maybe. With Two of Wands, some of you had options. If it's not you, it could be your partner. You guys were planning, but you did not take action. Planning and acting on it is a different thing. Many of us really plan. We are air signs. We like to plan a lot of shit, but we do not really act on it. So that's always been a problem for us. So whatever. That being said, let's start now. One card for what's the overall energy going to be between Libra and their soulmate. One card for what's the overall energy going to be between Libra and their soulmate. One card for what's the overall energy going to be like between Libra and their soulmate. What's the overall energy going to be like between Libra and their soulmate. Right now you both feel like the other person is rejecting you, or the other person is not really wanting to take you seriously. This is the collective energy, so you both are feeling this way. You both are feeling rejected. You both are feeling like the other person is not even bothered. Your partner is not even bothered. They are focused elsewhere. Okay, so I believe that on some which level you both are waiting on each other to reach out as well. You both feel like the other person is not bothered. Okay, you feel like they are not bothered and they are fine without you, and they feel like you're not bothered and you're fine without them. Crazy shit. There's a lot of confusion going on. With Three of Swords, you both are hurting at the current moment. Okay, I've told you at the beginning that you both are like you are hurting, but they are also hurting right now. The separation is hurting the both of you. Okay, so give me one more card for their energy towards you now. Libra soulmates energy towards Libra. Libra soulmates energy towards Libra moving forward. What's Libra soulmates energy towards Libra spirit? Libra soulmates energy towards Libra moving forward. One card for that, please. Right now with the hanged man, your person is watching you from a distance, not taking any sort of action, but watching you. Okay, so if you felt your person was going in a different direction, no darling, your person was always watching you. They were keeping a watch on you. It was just that they were not taking action towards you. Okay, for some of you this person is very very stubborn. They want you to initiate things and all. They've got issues, darling. What to do? Right now, there is this break phase going on. Honestly speaking, right now, this person might have wanted to take a break because of the things or the chaos or the drama that was happening between the two of you. Okay, so right now, I still feel like there is nothing happening. Even if there was little communication, it was not something you could look up to. So I feel as of now or as of today, things are at a standstill. But I do honestly feel that your partner will take some sort of action. I'm not going to say if they are going to stay or not. I'm going to tell you that they are going to take action. Okay, you could hear from them very very soon. It could be today or tomorrow, but I see them taking action within the next few days. Okay. So one card for how are they possibly going to come forward towards you now? How are they possibly going to come forward towards you? How are they possibly going to come forward towards Libra spirit? How is the Libra spirit possibly going to come forward towards Libra now? With the Fool card, I do see them taking that leap of faith or wanting to jump forward, wanting to take that step forward. Even though right now, like the current energy, they might want to make you believe that they are ghosting you or trying to stay away from you. I do eventually see them coming forward, okay? But you cannot expect fast action, okay? When I'm saying today or tomorrow, they will take their time, okay? They will make you believe that they are staying away or walking away or whatever that is, or not bothered, or really moving in a different direction. But I do see them coming forward. When I see them coming forward, I do let you know. Okay, so with the Six of Pentacles, in the past it wasn't a very healthy connection. Like, it felt very one-sided, or it felt like, it's only there because you were giving in so much. Okay, so take whatever resonates, darling. It has the potential of being going vice versa as well. So if you're a cross watcher, don't come and kill me here. Take it accordingly. Okay, so give me one more card for their feelings towards you now. What's their feelings towards you? Libra soulmates feelings towards Libra. Libra soulmates feelings towards Libra. Right now with Seven of Wands, they are kind of restricting you from like being anywhere near them, or really coming closer to them. So they were actually maintaining that emotional distance with you. They did not want you anywhere near. They wanted to stay away. Okay, I also see them wanting to like kind of distance themselves or stay away from you emotionally. Even if this person comes forward within the next 2 days, I still see them maintaining that emotional distance, like coming forward in a very friendly manner, that kind of shit. Okay? Not a good card to get, honestly. Give me one more card for how does the Libra soulmate possibly feel when they think of Libra or when they miss them. With Queen of Wands, they feel the need to take action or to make a move towards you, or to take a step a step towards you. Okay, with in the past we had Seven of Swords. So in the past, whenever they thought of you or whenever they missed you, they try to stay away, or they try to run away from you. But right now, with Three of Cups, I see them coming forward. But please note, if they come forward, they'll come forward in a friendly manner. That does not mean that they'll friend zone you for life. That means that they are going to come forward in a very, like not in a romantic manner, not at all. Okay, so don't come and complain like tomorrow or day after. Okay, that means the same shit, I believe. But whatever. But right now with Seven of Cups, there's a lot of confusion going on. They do not know exactly what they need to do. Okay, they are also very confused with what you want with them now. Okay, so yeah, in terms of how are they thinking of you now? How is the Libra soulmate possibly thinking of Libra now? How is the Libra soulmate possibly thinking of Libra now? How is the Libra soulmate thinking of Libra spirit? One card for that. The Moon card, they fear you talking to someone. Okay, they fear that you are communicating with someone, or you are not really telling them what's happening in your life. You're keeping secrets from them. You definitely are keeping secrets from them. That's what they feel. Okay, with Top card, with Page of Wands, they do feel like you are definitely communicating with someone, or you are having someone around. Okay, I'm not saying that you are cheating on them or something like that. It's just that they feel like you are hiding something from them. Okay, so yeah, in terms of their intentions towards you, one card for Libra soulmates intentions towards Libra. Libra soulmates intentions towards Libra, please. One card for. We have Ten of Pentacles in the reverse. So as of now, they are keeping the commitment part on hold. Okay. So I do not really see them wanting to get committed or wanting to commit as of the next few days. They are holding the commitment part behind. Okay, so their intention will be to not really get into any sort of strong connection now. They're going to hold back a lot. So expect a lot of drama. Okay, one more card for what action they want to take towards you now. What action is the Libra might possibly want to take towards you? They might also want to not really talk about commitments. Okay, so I see them, trying to like change topics when it comes to commitments or when it comes to the future of the connection. Okay, I do see them wanting your attention. In terms of action, they will want your attention, so they might come forward and get it. Okay, so I do feel they will get your attention, but do not really expect a fast changes, like positive changes. Okay, they will come in, but it's going to be a very steady process. Like, things are going to happen. As of now, there's this fucking Mercury retrograde that's going on. So till the 12th of July, you can't really expect much. Even 13th is going to be equally heavy. Post 14th, I see things getting more normal, things getting more calm. So wait for that while. Okay, do not really freak out. Okay, as it is, the energy is very low. Okay, so one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. Where is this connection possibly moving forward? One card for where this connection possibly moving forward for Libra and their soulmate. Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Libra and their soulmate? One card for where is this connection possibly moving forward for Libra and their soulmate. Please help me that connection. With Nine of Wands, I do feel like you are eventually going to feel hurt. You're going to feel misunderstood. You're going to feel like you're in this connection to only get drained. Okay, I still see them holding back in terms of communication and open communication. They will communicate, but there's a difference between communication and open communication. Okay, I hope you understand that. Okay, with Temperance card, I do see balance coming in eventually, but for the next 2 days, do not really expect much. Okay, my job to right now is to give you the right reading, to let you know what could possibly happen. I'm not here to give you happy readings and to make you feel good about your life. Okay, so please note that. I hope you understand why tarot is here. Okay, so with Ten of Swords right now, you feel like a lot of hurt, a lot of misery as well. Like you are in this connection for nothing basically. So why I'm even being a part of it? But that's just overthinking. Okay, so one card for what do they possibly want from you now? What do they possibly want from Libra? What do they possibly want from Libra? One card for what do they possibly want from Libra? Just help me get one card for what does the Libra can possibly want from Libra now? What does the Libra possibly want from Libra? They want you to hold on to the connection. Okay, they want you to still keep it together. They are not wanting you to drop them. Okay, they are not wanting you to quit the connection. They are not wanting you to basically let go and move in a different direction. Okay, they are still wanting you to hold on. They are still wanting you to nurture the connection. They still want you to have that hope and faith that this connection is worth something to hold on to. Okay, so secret message from your person. That is, if you have a person, if you do not have a person and just inquiring about an ex who left you a few years back, wrong channel, darling. Okay. So one card for secret message from your person. Secret messages from Libra soulmate, please. I am ashamed of my past actions. So one direct card here is I am ashamed of my past actions. I could not choose between you and my work life or my family life, or if they had another choice. Okay, so you know better, but they could not choose. Okay, when I mean choices, it does not mean that they were cheating you with someone else. It could also be that they had two different lives, like their love life, their career, their work life, even could be a family life if they had kids and all that. So give one more card for their secret messages for Libra. Secret messages for Libra spirit. My family won't let this happen. The intensity drives me nuts. So for many of you, this could be a twin flame connection. Doesn't have to be, but for some of you, it could be. And it's just that the intensity of the connection is so much so that it's kind of a push and a pull connection. You push and they pull out. You pull and they push out. So I don't know what's happening. So it's kind of a that thing happening, you know. It's kind of magnets where someone is like literally instead of attracting, you're kind of pushing them away. Okay, that's what's happening currently. So this is what I have for you. I also feel for some of you, someone is causing problems. If it's not a parent that's causing problem, a family member, it could be their ex partner, or it could be their whatever, you know. Kids maybe, I do not know, but someone in their family or their close circle is definitely causing problems. They are definitely interfering in the connection to a point where your person is getting manipulated. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Libra. If it resonated, please consider hitting the like button. That's the only way we grow and have the thing have going, that we need to post more. Okay, if that goes away from us, then there's no point, honestly. Okay, so I hope you understand that, and I hope you hit the like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'm going to post regular readings on over here through the link. Okay, so in the comment section, you do come and check if I've posted any link. It's going to be highlighted for sure. So that's going to be like readings for the next few days. Okay, I can't post directly because other signs get mad. So yes, thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. And all those who want a personal reading, please go and book on my website. Personal readings are open. Waiting phase is 7 to 10 days. Okay, we have 3 sections. One is just the like basic energy, that's for $35. One is the soulmate reading, and one is soulmate extended, where we cover blockages, advice, and the future possible outcome, like 2 or 3 ways. Okay, so yes, thank you so much. Cheers.